Riu hatiri undu tangaja kamiti ya uiguano ni ireketie kwihariria na kwamba muthigi wa uria miario igutwarithio na mbere na gubanga maundu kuringana na uria makwaririo.
Are you ready?
Wa mbere gutengemanio metha-ini ya miario agukorwo ni maundu megie ithurano bururi-ini na hamwe na maundu maria magukorwo makiririo ni kumbwo weru gwa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ya IEBC, guthurimwo weru kwa mihaka ya icigo cia ubunge na guthurimwo kwa moimirira ma githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2022.
If you look at it, IBC is number 2, so that we look at all the issues around electoral justice, including IBC, because of the urgency of the matter.
AIKARIRI giti ya kamiti ino ya uiguano Kimani wa ICHUNGWA na KALONZO MUSYOKA maugite riu ni marikitie kwandikira marua kamiti iria irathiaga na mbere na gwetha makamicina erũ a IEBC na kumamenyithia wigie mwerekera mweru uria ukuoyo hari gwetha makamicina aya.
We have, in view of that, sent out 2 letters also, as we have agreed to the IEBC selection panel, as we indicated, to just take judicial notice of the issue that they are handling, that we are also handling on the reconstitution of the IEBC Commission. We have concurrently also written to the multi-sectoral working group on the realization of the 2/3 gender rule, because they're also working on an issue that that is also before us.
Hamwe na uguo kamiti ino riu ni ihingurite kamweke kuri ya Kenya kuheana mawoni mao megie agenda iria citanyite kwariririo na mihango ya kwamukira mawoni maya ikambiriria kiumia giukite.
Our technical team and our secretariat will be working the whole of next week to allow them time to receive this memoranda from the members of the public, as they also put together the issues as prioritized.
Of course, we also are saying that social media is absolutely vital, and we're going to involve all the social media platforms so that Kenyans will know that they're required to submit memoranda.
Agenda ingi iria ciarĩrĩirio kwarĩrio kamiti-inĩ ino ni maundu matiganĩte megie icunjĩ cia gatiba hamwe na cio ni watho wa maiganania, garama ya mũtũrĩre ta ũrĩa watho ugĩte thĩinĩ wa gĩcunjĩ kĩa 43 gĩa gatiba ya bũrũri, wĩyathi wa ciama cia kĩũteti, gũthondekwo kwa igĩna citiganĩte na gũcithondekera watho na kũmbwo kwa wabici ya minista mũnene hamwe na mũtongoria wa mũng'ethanĩro.
Other issues outside what is agreed on as the agenda items, Kenyans, of course, have other fora to engage on many other issues, and therefore, including Parliament. We are receiving petitions and memoranda from Kenyans every day to engage on issues that relate to them.
We will not shy away from receiving any memoranda, but only that we will have to interrogate, and the technical teams will be able to interrogate the memoranda as received, and then we'll be able to see as a committee what to do with those memoranda.
Kamiti ino igacokereria cikaro ciayo tariki 11 mweri uyu niguo kuhe kanya ũngania wa maoni kuma kuri a Kenya na ningĩ atongoria ya magie na kanya ga gukorwo kĩgomano-inĩ kia Afrika kĩgie mogarũrũku ma rĩera. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimani wa Ngũnjiri.